To save time, I like to separate my hair like this, and then I work in these smaller sections. It makes it so much easier. This is my hair with no product after my deep conditioner. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it here. But as far as products for styling, we're going to be adding this leave-in conditioner from the Creme of Nature Pure Honey collection. This leave-in conditioner is very creamy, and I really love that. My hair loves creamy conditioners. Next, we are going to be adding their twisting cream from the same collection. As far as the twisting cream, it's very creamy. I also learned that a little goes a long way, and it's very moisturizing because I notice as soon as I apply it, my curls pop and my hair looks darker. Also, the scent is very fresh and sweet, just like honey. So I really love the scent of this collection. So now I'm going to use the setting lotion on just the ends of my hair. So I put a leave-in, cream, and then the setting lotion at the very ends. And now I just did a 2-strand twist, and now I'm doing a Bantu knot. And we're just going to repeat these same steps on each section. And for each section that I made, I tried to fit at least 2 to 3 Bantu knots, just so, because I want this as like a more chunky look. But next time I'm definitely going to do smaller sections, and you'll see why at the end of this video. The next few shots are going to be close-ups of what the products are doing to my hair. My hair loves this collection. Like, it is, I can't even describe it. That's why I wanted to get these close-up shots, because even after just the leave-in conditioner, because it's creamy, it just makes my hair look and feel amazing. Okay, look at those curls. Like, they're clumping like without any effort. It's crazy. You guys, I never show the back of my head, like but I made sure to do it this time. And as you can see, the parts are not even perfect. It doesn't matter because we're not showing the parts when we take this down. I decided to use the setting lotion on the ends of my hair because I feel like the ends are most important. One, because that is the oldest part of our hair. Two, it really frames the entire style. So you can have popping curls at your roots, but if the ends are looking jacked, your whole style is jacked. So I really paid attention to those ends, and I also used a small tooth comb to make sure they were really smooth. I think I have some footage of me using it here. Now y'all know Creme of Nature, they are the queens of edge control. They have an edge control for everything, and this one is nothing short of amazing, just like the other ones, and it really lasts all day. And I decided to lay my edges you know, now, because when I take this down later on, I want them to already be, you know, in place. And of course I'll probably have to touch them up, but look at that. Amazing. Now we are going to dry our Bantu knots. I like to sit under a bonnet dryer, but you can air dry or just wait until the next day. Now it's time for takedown. Make sure you use some type of oil on your fingertips. This will make takedown so much easier. Simply take each Bantu knot down. It doesn't really matter how you take the Bantu knot down initially, but once you have it down like this, you have to be careful. So we're just going to separate it just like we separate our 2-strand twists, but you'll notice the ends are super curly, almost like you put a perm rod on the end. Now this part of the takedown is super easy, and as you can see, our curls look amazing. They're flawless. The hard part is when we start separating, which I'm totally not looking forward to, because this is where I go ham and this is when frizz happens, okay? See, we're looking pretty good, right? Frizz free, shiny, curls are popping. It just looks amazing, but it's not a style to me. Like, I would never wear my hair like this, so we have to separate. So as you can see, the ends get super frizzy, but usually if you twirl it around your finger, it'll, you know, be more tamed. So that's what I did pretty much, unless it was already perfect, but any frizzy sections I had to twirl them. So we're not looking that bad right now, right? All right, so I went through each section, and as you can see, we still have some curl definition, but we still don't have that shape yet. So of course I had to go in with my Afro pick to pick out the roots and shape this fro. And as you guys can see, I still have my cut. The shape is still there. And I really like this look, but you guys know, of course, I'm about to, yeah, you guessed it, put my hair into a puff. I don't know. I just like my hair in a puff, y'all. But I definitely wanted you guys to see it in the cut as well, because I knew you guys would want to see that. But no matter what style I do, my puff, that's like my signature look when I have my natural hair down. It's so much easier, and I just love this look on me. So you can wear your hair out if you want, or you can put it in a puff. You can rock a mohawk or fro hawk. There are so many different options you can do with this Bantu knot out. If you guys want me to do a natural hair video showing you several different styles you can do with this curl pattern, then let me know in the comment section. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys check out the Cream of Nature collection. It's very affordable, and it's everywhere, and it's quality products, like seriously. But here are the 2 styles. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, you guys. Mwah.